Hi everyone, I'm Mandy. Welcome to Soup Recipes. Today we're making cabbage stir-fry vermicelli noodles. This is my favorite noodle dish because it's quick and easy, and I love vermicelli noodles. They have such an amazing texture and flavor. You have to give it a try. Alright, the first step is to soak the noodles in hot water. I just microwaved 2 liters of water on full power for 10 minutes. Of course, you can heat the water over the stove too. However, do not soak the noodles in cold water, otherwise they'll lose the chewy texture and they'll break easily while stir-frying. These vermicelli noodles are made with sweet potato starch. There are other kinds on the market that are made with mung bean starch or potato starch. They all work well, so just get whatever that is available in your local Asian grocery store. While waiting, cut a quarter of a cabbage into strips. Slice a few cloves of garlic and ½ inch of ginger. 2 scallions. Dice the white part and cut the green part into 1½ inch long pieces. I have got here some pork belly slabs. Slice them into strips. This is completely optional, but I do think the pork elevates the dish. You can also use thick cuts of bacon for more flavors. By now, the noodles should be done soaking. Drain them completely and shake off the excess water. Mix the noodles with 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce so you can get that desired brown color. Drizzle in ½ tablespoon of vegetable oil to prevent the noodles from sticking. Mix well. Now we have everything ready. Let's cook. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. Add a drizzle of oil just to lubricate the wok to create a non-stick surface. Turn the heat to low. Add the pork belly strips and stir. I love cooking with a carbon steel wok. As long as you preheat the wok thoroughly before adding the oil, it is completely non-stick. In a few minutes, the pork is slightly golden brown and you should get quite a few tablespoons of fat. If you want to make this dish vegan, you can just use vegetable oil instead. Add garlic, ginger, white part of scallions, red dried chilies, Thai bird-eye chilies, and 2 tablespoons of 豆瓣酱. Cabbage vermicelli noodles is a popular dish all over China. I'm making the Sichuan version today, that's why I'm using different kinds of chilies and 豆瓣酱. If you don't eat spicy food, you don't have to use the chilies, and you can replace the 豆瓣酱 with soybean paste. Once the oil turns into a golden red color, you can add the cabbage. Stir over medium heat until the cabbage is wilted. This will take a couple of minutes. Add the noodles along with 1½ tablespoon of soy sauce. Keep mixing over high heat for a few more minutes. Look at that. No matter how you manipulate the noodles, they don't break that much. That is the result of hot water soaking. Before serving, toss in the green parts of the scallions, give it a final mix, you're done. Cabbage and vermicelli noodles are such a great couple. Their texture and flavor accomplish with each other. Although we didn't use complicated ingredients, the whole dish comes out addictively delicious. Seriously, I can eat this literally every single day. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe is in the description. You can check it out later. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!